Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by and checking out what I got going on in the garage. Today, we got a Cub Cadet. For all you hardcore guys, Cub Cadet guys out there, jump on me. Yes, I know it's an MTD. It's made by MTD. The issue with it, it's PTO belts. So, we're going to get the wrench on this and see if we can't get them belts fixed. So, hang out and we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, little backstory on this tractor. My brother actually bought this tractor. He bought it at an estate sale. He was going to use it on the farm. Decided the 54 deck ain't big enough. So he knew I was looking for one, so he offered it to me. Of course I jumped on it. He has used it a couple times at his place. It is a little dirty. Don't judge. But the PTO, we thought the PTO went out on it. Here it's just the belts. So I looked all over the internet. I can't really find a video or anything saying how to change them. So what the heck, we're going to make a video on it. So I'm going to get things turned around here. We'll give you a little tour and we'll get to changing these belts. This is a tractor I've been looking for. It's a GT3200. It's got power steering. It's got the hydraulic lift on the deck. It's got the front hydraulics on it. It's capable of having the rear hydraulics with a 3-point hitch, and it's got a Kohler command in it. Right on, Kohler command. You know how I love them. Now they did come with Kawasaki's and stuff in them, but I'm a fan of the Kohler command. So this is it. It's got a 54-inch deck on it right now. I may be looking to buy a snowplow for it and possibly fabricating up a 3-point hitch for it, or if I can find one cheap enough, I'll buy one. But alright y'all, the reason I know it's the PTO belts, for one, the PTO doesn't engage. It actually engages, the deck doesn't spin. So I got up underneath there and looked, and there's one of 2 belts on there, and the one belt, it's history. It's completely trash. So that's all I know about it. So I'm going to start by pulling the side panels off and see if I can see how we can get in there to get it changed. Side panels come off real easy on these, and may not even have to take them off. So, but we're going to. So I picked the side that has the hydraulics on it. Get my fingers up in there to get that thing twisted. Alright. Hey, look at that. I think I can see the PTO in there from there. Oh yeah, right in there. So, let me get the camera down there and we'll show you what we're working with. Alright y'all. Here's one of the belts right here. It goes up here behind this belt guard. And then it goes up over the top of the pulley here. And it drops down. There's an idler over here on this side. I don't know if you guys probably can't see that. Right there it is. So then it drops down to the actual PTO shaft itself. And down at the bottom there's 2 bolts at the bottom of the pulley. We'll probably have to take off and to get the belt through. But looking at it, looks like it's going to be fairly easy. So let me get down in here and we'll see if we can't get that belt off, and we'll try to get the new ones on. Alright y'all, we're down here under the tractor now. There's those 2 bolts down at the bottom of that pulley there I was talking about that I'm going to have to pull out to get that belt off there. And then, I don't know if you guys can see or not, up there's the top pulley. And it just kind of goes down and over. Right here's the idler. I can't get my hand up in there and show you all real well. That's the idler right there. And that's the top pulley up there. Now I think I'm going to have to drop this rod here off. I don't know if I can get the belt in around it, but I ain't got a really good way to set the camera up in here to show you all, but I'm going to try. Set you back and at least show you getting the bottom part off. So hang on and we'll get to trying this. Alright y'all, I kind of got you perched up there. I'm going to start out by trying to pull these bolts here out. And they got some kind of a nut on the back of them. So, they don't feel like they're the same size. That, by the way, that's an 18 millimeter. Okay. I need to go grab me a different wrench, but we'll pause you and we'll bring you right back. Alright y'all, that's a 14 millimeter nut on the back there, so there's that one. Alright, there we go. Now, that's a little tight, so I'll pull that release lever down. Ooh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. She pulled right up out of there. Now, looks like I'm going to have to pry up on this, there's a brake right here. I might have to get that by. So, because that'll, yep, I'm going to go up top and have to pop it out from behind them belt guards. But, alright, let me go see if I can find me a prying apparatus and get picked up on that. Because there's a spring right there. Let's see if I can get that spring unhooked. There we go. Oh, look at that, I can flop that right up out the way. Alright. Alright y'all, I'm going to go up and see if I can't pop that belt out from behind that belt guard up top. It's just like a keeper. There's a flat on each side of the pulley. And see if I can get that belt out from behind there, and we'll get some new belts thrown on here. Alright y'all, there's the belts, the numbers, and these are Napa belts. You can see the old belt here. She's pretty well tore up. Get some light on that. Yeah, she's pretty well tore up. So alright y'all, right in there, that's that belt guard. There's one on the other side. It just goes up over that pulley right there. So, yep, and she just drops right down into there. So, let me, I'm going to get these belts thrown on here and see what we can do. There you go. So you can see I got the bolts back in the bottom. Got the belt running up there. I got the spring back on this tensioner over here on this side, right over in here. Of course you guys can't see. Oh, my magnetic light's getting caught on everything. Yeah, right there's a spring right there. Goes up to that idler, or that brake, I'm sorry, it pulls that brake down. So, got her up on the top. Get everything back in place. Guess next thing is to back this thing out of the garage and fire her up and see if she turns. Hey y'all, just wanted to give a little shout out, little pro tip, whatever you want to call it. If y'all use the disposable cleaning wipes, try these tub of towels. Not a sponsor, but y'all know I've been working on stuff for 30 years. I've tried every brand on the market, from Gojo and everything else, and specialty ones from specialty companies. These tub of towels for the price are awesome. I even use them to wipe my tools down. I even use them sometimes to wipe oil and stuff off motors and stuff. They're awesome, and they're strong. So if y'all haven't tried them out yet, try them out. Alright, y'all, I'm running low on battery, so we're going to jump on this thing, see if we can't get her fired up, and test that PTO out. Huh. I might have done something wrong. Alright, y'all, belts are on it. I can hear it engaging, but we ain't got nothing going around, so I'm gonna do a little more investigation and we'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, I tried it off camera and it worked fine, so let's get back on this dog. Alright, y'all, there you have it. How to change a PTO belt on a Cub Cadet 3200 series riding or garden tractor. That's the dual belt. Of course, this does have the Kohler command. The only other video I've seen had a Kawasaki engine, and they said you had to take the muffler off. So, hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Come on in, hang out, talk with us, and that's all I got for you today. As always, keep ranching. Alright, y'all, little bonus footage. That's my backyard. I know the lines aren't real straight, but that thing did a heck of a job. I do have to check the steering out a little bit. Has a little bit of play in it, that's why the lines aren't straight. Plus I was going about as fast as I possibly could because I was kind of fighting to beat a storm that was coming through. So yep, it got her done.